This is an extension of section 3.2, factoring expressions. So factoring is we're working backwards. We're undistributing or undoing the rainbow. So before, we saw like 3 times the quantity x plus 2, and we multiplied in to get 3x plus 6. What we're going to do today is we're going to take 3x plus 6, and we're going to get to the 3 times the quantity x plus 2. So how do we do that? Okay, so we want to find the greatest common factor of the terms. Sometimes they tell you what they want you to take out, and then we're going to rewrite it by taking out what's common. So 24x minus 18. Okay, so we want to find the greatest common factor. Only one of them has an x, so there's no x in the greatest common factor. And then let's think what the greatest common factor of 24 and 18 is. Okay, so 24, our factors are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Our factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. We look for the biggest one that they have in common, which in this case is 6. And now we're going to try to rewrite by taking out a 6. So remember, distributing is multiplying. So undoing that is going to be dividing. So I'm going to take the 6 out front, and then I'm going to say, okay, what's 24x divided by 6? Well, that's 4x. And what's 18 divided by 6? Well, that's 3. So this is our factored expression. Okay, so let's practice that. On the first one here, I want us to take out a 4. Okay, so I want to have a 4 in front, which means I'm going to divide everything by 4. So 4p divided by 4 is just p. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So there's our factored expression. If you want to double check yourself, you can go ahead and distribute and hope that you get back to this original. But not necessary. All right, and then next one, we want to take out a 1/2. Okay, 1/2 x divided by 1/2 is 1x, or just x. And then we have to take 3/2 divided by 1/2. Okay, remember to divide fractions, we keep it, change it, change it. These 2's will cancel out, so we're left with 3. So x plus 3. And the last one, let's factor out the greatest common factor. I'm not going to tell you what that is, so let's find it. So only one of them has an a, so there's not going to be an a in our greatest common factor. So let's talk about 15 and 25. So 15, the factors are 1 and 15, 3 and 5. For 25, it's 1 and 25, and then 5 and 5. So our greatest one is 5. So let's take out a 5. 15a divided by 5 is 3a. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. So here's our factored expression. So bottom line, the distributive property, or the rainbow, is multiplying. So to undo that, we're dividing.